What's going on, YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of the total market cap for altcoins. This is excluding Bitcoin. And I wanted to look at it here on the log chart. And we're really stepping back and we're getting the big picture because this is going to be on the 1 week time frame as well. So what we're doing, we're really looking at trends and trying to see where we're at in this market cycle for the altcoins. So if you get some from this video, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I think you're going to get some good points from this. And just really pay attention to this because this is going to be important because we're all really waiting for and anticipating down the road that serious altcoin cycle. Okay, I do believe, and this is just something that from everything I've studied, guys, I think there's going to be, and it's kind of a hot take here, I think there's going to be one more big explosive altcoin cycle. I believe that fully. And it could continue to go on there. Markets are cyclical, but I'm saying there's going to be one more that's just explosive. And I think we've been entering into that. And what I wanted to point out here on the log chart, check out this double bottom. So we bottomed here. We were at about 37 billion, and this was December 3rd, 2018. Then we hit it again, and that was in March 9th, 2020. So we hit that again, and that was a big gap here, the big span. So that's good for a double bottom there. And ever since then, now you can see we're up above our 20, our 50, our 100, and our 200 EMA there, our moving averages, which is extremely important for us. We're in that nice uptrend now. You can see we're holding higher lows, higher highs. That's what we're looking for. And what I would also pay attention to is holding this 20 EMA. And the reason I say that is because typically in these uptrends or these bull markets, for the most part, you hold that 20. Sometimes you can get some wicks back into the 50, but it's important that we end up holding that. So really pay attention to that area. Also, we need to pay attention to the RSI. The RSI last time when we got to this peak, it got all the way up to 98. So that's something we need to be aware of, because if you read traditional books, they'll say you're in that overbought territory at 70, when that's sometimes when crypto gets going, it can get up into the 90s. So we need to be aware that it can get that aggressive and that overextended. Okay, that's something to really point out, because right now we're at 70. And what I do like, if we zoom back out here, take a look at the volume as we've been moving up. We're getting those big swells of volume. The volume's increasing. That's what you want to see in uptrends. You don't want to see the price going up and the volume going down, or the relative strength going down as the price is going up. So right now what we need to do is get up above $241 billion. That's going to be the next overhead resistance area. And then it's going to be up to around, let's see, 443 billion, and then it would be blue sky breakout. So above this, it would just be room to run. And you can see how we've been rounding out. If I can really step out here, let me get a few things off the chart. All right, so if we've really stepped back here, this action in here is pretty similar to when we were getting this roundedness down in here before. And then we just had that explosion. So you can even see in here off that double bottom starting to round out, volume swelling up. So if we can get through this high, guys, things could get extremely exciting. Now, I'm not here to just push out moon theories, okay? What we want to also do is look at the downside now. So if we start breaking down through this 20 EMA, we'd look for support at the 50, and that'd be at $125 billion. And then I would look down to this 200. If we broke down through this 200 on the 1 week, that's when I would be concerned with the uptrend overall, or the bull market overall. So we need to stay up above that and continue to hold that and not have candle closes below that. So overall of importance, staying up above that 20 and then around that 50, trying to break through this overhead resistance here at 271 billion, then it'd be up around that 443 billion. And there's some gaps here. And when you have those gaps, the price can run really hard to the upside. So we need to be aware of that. RSI right now is at 70. If we take a look at the technicals, if it'll give us to us here on TradingView, I'm sorry, guys, it doesn't look like it's going to give them up for this market cap. Typically, we'll get the technicals, we'll break everything down. But that's what I wanted to bring to you today here. Just really look at these areas, pay attention to them. This could get exciting in the days, weeks, and months to come. God bless each and every one of you. Take care.